Hello, and thank you for choosing Danomics. In this video, I'm going to review how we create a new decline curve analysis project, bring the data into that project, and customize our displays. Let's get started. Here on the right, in my Welcome Project folder, I've imported my production database and my well header database. If you've not yet done this, please review the previous video. To create a new decline curve analysis project, I can either select File from the menu here and select New Decline Curve Analysis, or I can right-click on the folder name and select New Decline Curve Analysis. Once I select this, I can give the project a name, and this creates a new Decline Curve Analysis project. The first step is to associate the databases that we had previously loaded with this Decline Curve Analysis project. To do this, I come to the Databases area here on the top right-hand corner, and I select my Welcome Project Well Header Database and my Welcome Project Production Database. Once I've done this, you can see it's populated both the map and the well list. If I zoom in on my map here and select a well, I can see the production data from that well has already been populated and an automatic forecast has been generated. We'll learn how to customize this forecast and the global constraints in subsequent videos. Before moving along, I want to show you how to customize the layouts for your project. There are a number of ways that we can change how our screen is set up in Danomics. For example, we can hide away the Files area by clicking on the two left facing arrows here, and we can bring it back by clicking on them again. We can do the same for the Databases and Filters area by clicking on those arrows, allowing us to hide them away. We can drag the dividers that are between the different windows, both left and right, and up and down, allowing us to change the size of each window. We can also change the position of the windows. For example, I can move my windows up and down. And if I wish to change the number of windows that I have available, I can click on the hamburger menu with the three horizontal bars, and I can split this window. Now that I have a new window, I could, for example, move a tab into that window by clicking on the tab name and dragging it to that window's bar. And then if I wish to move that window again, I can come up and I can move that window. This allows me to fully customize the display as I see fit. And if I wish to remove this window, I can just click on the menu and say remove tab to remove the tab, or remove window to remove the window. Once I'm done and I've got the layout that I would like, I can hit Control S or select Save from the File menu to save my project.